Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to Windows 11 File Explorer no longer remember search history, how to Reenable. So how can fix this type of it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer, go to your these three dots, go to your options and click on clear the file explorer history. Clear on it and click on OK button. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your second method. The second method is that in the search box type as services. Open services, find out a Windows search. Now here is a Windows search. Open it, click on automatic, click on apply, click on start button and click on OK button. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panels of your Windows. And after doing this, that find out a indexing options. Now here is the indexing option, open it. After opening the indexing option, go to your advanced tab and click on a rebuild. Click yes to continue and close it. Now process will be started. It's required for a few minutes to complete this. After completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.